Prices to replace keys or key fobs are steadily increasing due to advances in technology like keyless entry and proximity start. The MasterTech Key Replacement Program may remedy the increasing cost to replace your key and key fob by ensuring today's cost at a future date. The MasterTech Key Replacement Program offers 2 levels of replacement coverage for the key or key fob if destroyed, lost, or stolen. Coverage is 100% transferable for a fee which may increase the resale value of your vehicle. Additional benefits included with the MasterTech Key Replacement Program are 24-hour roadside assistance that includes towing, fluid delivery assistance, battery start service, spare tire mounting assistance, and lockout service. Protect your investment for the road ahead with the MasterTech Key Replacement Program.